Unveiling the world's healthiest food, a surprising discovery. In a world filled with confusing health claims, a recent scientific revelation has brought much-needed clarity. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the humble yet powerful ingredient that tops the global superfood list, the green superhero, watercress, unveiled. A study conducted by William Paterson University with the backing of the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, has identified watercress as the most nutrient-dense food on the planet. This leafy green, often overlooked, packs a powerful punch of essential nutrients. By examining 17 key nutrients, including fiber, protein, iron, and vital vitamins like C, E, and K, researchers found that a mere 100 grams of watercress provides a whopping 100% of your daily recommended intake. That's right, a perfect score. But here's where it gets even more impressive. Watercress boasts more vitamin C than oranges and lemons, outshines milk in calcium content, and is loaded with antioxidants, making it a true disease-fighting champion. Why watercress deserves a spotlight? Despite its impressive nutritional profile, watercress remains relatively underrated in everyday cuisine. In Europe, it's widely cultivated and available year-round at incredibly affordable prices. A fresh bunch can be yours for just beyond nutrition. Detoxifying powers. Watercress isn't just a nutritional powerhouse, it's also renowned for its detoxifying properties. Acting as both a diuretic and an antioxidant, it helps flush out toxins while protecting your cells from damage. A generous serving of 80 to 100 grams provides a full serving of vegetables, adding a mere 21 calories to your meal. When shopping, look for bright, firm leaves without any signs of wilting. Due to its delicate nature, watercress is best consumed fresh, ideally within 2 days of purchase. The easiest way to upgrade your meals, incorporating watercress into your diet, doesn't require an extreme lifestyle overhaul. Its versatility allows it to seamlessly blend into your existing dishes, transforming ordinary meals into extraordinary nutritional feasts. A simple sandwich with fresh watercress, for instance, becomes a vitamin and antioxidant powerhouse. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, don't underestimate the power of this unassuming green. With its bold taste and unmatched nutrient density, watercress offers a simple and delicious way to boost your health, one bunch at a time. And this is the part most people miss. Watercress isn't just a fad or a trend. It's a timeless, affordable, and accessible superfood that deserves a permanent spot in your kitchen. So, are you ready to give it a try? Your taste buds and your body will thank you. What's your take on watercress? Do you think it deserves more recognition? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.